Welcome. Today's lesson is about the scheduler in the calendar system in Canvas. So let's say you had a special group that you wanted to sign up on their own to come to a special office hour or maybe a workshop. You could use this system within a course or several courses. And it's a really unique feature. It's a fairly new feature in Canvas, but a lot of faculty like it. So the first thing you'd want to do is to make sure you are in your calendar. So some people are not real sure what we say when we say calendar. It's kind of a global feature. So remember, your global features are on the colored bar on the outside. This could be green for Oxnard or orange for Ventura. Notice this is blue for the district. And you click on calendar, which I've already done. Sometimes it takes a while to respond to the calendar because it's mixing a lot of data to make sure that works. So I'm in the calendar. And then basically when I want to set up an appointment, you click on the plus sign. So remember, this plus sign in Canvas is for a lot of things when you want to add something. So this is to create a new event. And you have several different types of events you can add. You can add an event, you can add an assignment, you can add something for your personal list. But notice there's this last choice for appointment group. And the appointment group has become fairly popular, although not used as much as we'd like it to be. You could type in a name of a workshop, etc. So I'm just going to say office hours. But you can put in the name of a workshop. Location, I'm just going to say this is online. But you could, put your office in. So this is an example. I'm going to say it's today, and it's going to be between 4 and 5. And divide into equal slots of 30 minutes. Let's just say 30 minutes and click go. And notice it sets it up for you within that time period. It automatically creates those. Limit time slot. Let's just say I want to keep it small, so I don't want more than 3 users in there at a time. So 3 is a good number, but I find if I have more than that, it gets complicated. Allow students to see who has signed up. Sure, why not? They get to know who's there. Limit participants to attend 1 appointment. It's up to you. I'm going to uncheck that. Okay. I'm going to say this is just a test of the appointment system, because this is actually going out to a real class. Although I may not click publish down here. So set it to calendar. So which calendars do you want it to go to? We have this Ventura DE Faculty Hub, so I've thought about setting it up for that. You would see a list of calendars of current courses that students are in. So you would see the courses that are active. Okay, and then you'd click done. Okay. Have students sign up in groups. You could do that if you have groups in your class. Then you might want to change this if you do that. And then you simply click publish. And I'm going to go ahead and do this. So I'll probably get some messages today, but I'm just going to test this out. Office hours, why don't I put up here test? So that way people won't freak out when they get the message. Okay. So if I was to go to today's day, let's see, so it's down here at the bottom. So if I scroll down here a little bit to the 28th, down here at the very bottom, you'll see that I have a test for office hours, and people could click on there and reserve spots. So if I looked at it as a test student, they could click on it and they could reserve. So that's how they could sign up for office hours or a workshop. That's if you have students in your class. We couldn't do this globally because we'd have to have a class where every student's in there, and that's probably not the best idea at this point because it could build traffic. But we could talk about that. Just a thought. All right, so that's what I would do for now with students that you have access to. Thank you very much.